Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kia ora koutou, no mahara mai, and welcome back to Papoi here on Championship Sunday, baby. It's the bronze medal matchup between Ururoto, Westlake, and a visiting team coming up from the South Island. That is the Southland Boys High School.
Mihi atu kia massive with Luke coming from that junior club. Kia ora, tēnā koutou katoa.
Apologies. We'll just run through the lineups for you as we kick off here to get underway in the bronze medal match. And as we Southland, it'll charge the ball up.
Nō reira, roa te wā tēnei tama e tākaro ki roto i te timara.
Couldn't have said that better myself, as Ururoto will take this one inside the 22 of Southland. Marginally up. They've played well this season. Head coach Rob Minihill has invoked the belief to be one, and you can see them rolling this ball as one as they will get close at the back of the scrum, and they will dot over. The jubilation is right there.
They've still got the opportunity, so what are they going to do here, Chopper? I reckon they might go for a little tap and go.
I love this about schoolboy football. When they do, tap and go, straight to the line, half a metre short. Salasa now. Real close, Southland. Looking for their first points of the match. And they will get their first points of the match. Good.
Which I enjoy seeing as a rugby viewer.
These kids like to play quick. Here we go. Southland, opportunity. Back of the scrum. Jimmy Taylor, playmaker. Skips one, skips two. Goes to the middle. And under the black dot goes Jimmy Taylor. Not on my watch. You've ever seen this move before? Do they go left or do they spin it right? Set both ways.
Kei roto I te ringa o Kaiwā Tuli Manu. Engari ka maka te pōro
Now
kei
looking
waho.
to spread it. They've got room on the edge here. Replacement winger number 22, Finn Holbrook, will score for Ururoto.
But he's tried to have a go there himself, but he's met with a big defensive line from the Southland Boys as they fight to try and get to the ground there. Whawhai ana ia ki te tau te pōro ki runga I te papa.
Gravenstein comes left. Leaf wrapped around the back. Now they'll get it to the speedster on the edge. Holbrook, the try scorer, inside the 22 now. Westlake finding a spot. Southland still getting onside.
Tui te pau with the carry there, making some more ground.
Playing this game at pace now. They're a fit team, this Westlake team. Up the middle, Captain Arlo Leith drives it off. One of the Pomua now bangs himself into the ground. Westlake only a couple of metres out. Driving for the line. Referee is right there. Come to the left side. Drives this way. Looking for the edge. Looking for the arm. And it's up. Taylor wants a quick tap. He gets it. Off he goes to fly half.
Brutal defence shown there by Ururoto.
Still about 15 metres out here, maybe 12 now for Southland. Big moment in the game right here. Huge moments in the game. Southland just a half a metre away. Pick and go. Close to the line. Kaiwawal's right there. He's short. No penalties at this point. Could be catastrophic. They pick and go. He's there. He's right there. Southland have done it. In the last minute of the match, all eyes are on the Kaiwa Wales watch here. Southland, 2-point margin to win the bronze medal. They won the championship off Westlake back in 2023. And they've done it again here. They have won the bronze medal. Talk about fortitude, talk about defence, wins championships, and in this case, it wins a bronze medal. Southland victorious.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.